We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in today's video I would like to provide you with an overview of the newly introduced features on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So to start, let's begin with reviewing some camera options and some new camera adjustments. So in the new S24 lineup, you get increased shutter speed. So for example, not for example, to be precise, it went from 333 milliseconds all the way down to 248. So now each individual photo takes less time to be captured, as you can see. I unfortunately do not have the older S23 or other older Galaxy models, but well, now the shutter is way quicker and more responsive in general. Then with the S24 Ultra in particular, you also get the opportunity to film 4K videos in 120 FPS. In order to access this feature, you will need to enable the Pro Video mode in the camera, then tap over here, go into UHD or 4K and select 120 FPS here. Moving on, as you already know, or may probably know, that the S24 lineup comes with the bunch of new AI-powered tools and features such as Notes Assist, Chat Assist, Phone Calls Assist, and so on. So let's begin with the Note Assist feature. It allows you to summarize the big bodies of text into some important bullet points. So let me show it to you real quick. So this is the body of text I would like to transform. Simply select the text first. Let me convert it to text before, like that. Now I should be able to select it. Please. Doesn't allow me to. Now I should be able. Yep, so select the text you would like to transform, let me cancel my previous action. I cannot do that, but that's fine. I have another text to work with, for example, this one. So once again, we'll select everything, tap at this icon here, and now choose whether you would like to summarize it. You can format it into headers and bullets or meeting notes. You can summarize it, you can correct the spelling or translate the text. That's the Notes Assist feature. Moving on, the Samsung keyboard also allows you to use the messages or chat assistant. So go open the Samsung keyboard, select what text you would like to change or play around with, then tap at this option at your Samsung keyboard toolbar. You can either translate the chat messages using it, you can modify its writing style. So as you can see, it provides me with provides me with professional style, casual style, social media style, polite, emojify, and so on. And you can also, let me get back. You can also correct the spelling and grammar. So that's how my text looks with correct spelling and grammar. Moving on, another cool AI feature is the generative fill. So let me open my gallery, find the photo I can show you that feature on. So for example, this picture should do just fine. So go into the editing interface. Then here you'll find this magic AI button, tap on it, then select the object you would like to move around or replace or generate upon. Then for example, I'll move it to the side like here, and then tap at the generate button, so this blank space will be filled using the AI. Yep, as you can see, it has been autofilled. It's not the best autofill that I've seen, but it works. Moving on, the next cool feature is the voice recording transcription. So if you were to have some long or practically any voice recording. Let's actually create one here. Hello, my name is John, I'm 35 years old, I work at the construction site, and this is the test voice recording that I will transcribe later on. So once you have the recording you would like to transcribe, you can either select it and tap at the transcribe option from here, or you can just open the recording itself and tap at the transcribe there. That's up to you, which route you'll go for. Then select which language you would like to transcribe your voice memo to, and then wait a few seconds, or well, you can wait for more than a few seconds depending on the duration, or depending from the duration of your voice recording. Anyway, here is the transcription or transcript. So hello, my name is John, I'm 35 years old, I work at the construction site, and this is the test voice recording that I will transcribe later on. So as you can see, the transcription works fine, way better than the generative fill. But well, I mean, what can you do? Moving on, another very awesome and cool feature that the new S24 lineup has is the live phone calls translation. So in order to enable and set it up, you'll need to go into the phone app, then open its settings, live translate. Here you can enable and disable this feature. You can change the what language you will speak in. Then you can select what voice. So what voice your translator will have. You can mute your original voice or unmute it respectively, that's up to you. You can here select what language other person will speak on the other side of the conversation also, and change all those preferences for them as well, as you can see. And then during the phone call itself, just tap at the AI button and it will translate your conversation real time. So even if you speak, for example, you speak English, your vis-a-vis speaks Chinese, you will be able to understand one another automatically using the AI. So that's indeed a cool feature. So moving on, actually I forgot to show you another cool camera option that appeared in the S24 lineup, is that you can switch the cameras while recording a video. So let's test it. So here I'm recording a video, and at any given point during this recording I can change camera between selfie and main, just like that. What else? Let me check my notes real quick. Or actually, getting back to the summarizing topic, you can not only summarize your notes, you can also summarize whole web pages. So here, open the web page that you would like to summarize using the Samsung browser here. In my case, it is the article on our HardReset.Info website. It's a pretty long article. It contains a lot of information and details. If you would like to summarize it into some main topics and bullet points, just tap at this icon over here, select the summarize option, and within a while it will summarize it into main points here, as you can see. From here you can translate it, you can copy it and paste it wherever, or you can switch the style of the summary between standard and detailed. Also, a very cool AI feature that allows you to select any object anywhere, pretty much, and then search the image or the screenshot. So for example, I want to use it here. You will need to circle this object. So the way you activate this finding mode is by either holding this bar here, then select what part you would like to search, like this icon, for example. And as you can see, it provides me with corresponding results. Or if you have the unlike me, you have the buttons navigation, you will need to hold not this bar but the home button, the one that you have in the middle here. Now just select what you would like to search, I don't know. And obviously you do not have, you are not limited to the S Pen. You can do that without it perfectly fine. So that's up to you which accessory you use, your finger or the S Pen. And well, I guess that'll be about it. Or actually, you know what? There is the final option that I wanted to share with you, that I wanted to let you know about. And it's another camera option. It allows you to track object and to keep object in the focus at all times. So point your camera onto the object in question. Let's say I'll go with this logo. So tap on, or actually go into settings beforehand. Make sure that the enter video mode, go into settings, make sure that the tracking autofocus option is enabled, get back. Now tap at the object you would like to track, like this logo, let's say. Once this orange frame or square appears, that means that the object is now being tracked. And if you were to move a camera or move your phone around, as you can see, it stays in the focus, or if you were to move the object, it will stay in the focus as well, as you can see. So that will be definitely it, guys. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.